In 2 weeks, we'll be setting off to ride the Tet, the Trans-Euro trail across Spain and France. Thousands of kilometers of dirt tracks, mountains and remote back roads. It's the kind of riding that tests both you and the bike, and right now the preparations are in full swing. Life's been busy, as ever. So the bike has ended up at my mate Mac's house. Mac is who's joining me on this trip on his T7, and this is where we've been working on it together. Okay, the moment of truth. And it hasn't just been about fixing things and talking about things, preparing and planning things. It's been about getting to know these bikes, learning their quirks and building that quiet trust that we'll need once we're far from home.
It's brand new.
Now, I know I'll forget something. I always do. It's inevitable. Whether it's a weekend away or 6 weeks away or a year away, it doesn't matter. I always forget something. I can practice pack, I can plan, I can think. Something always gets left at home. But I've come to realize that that's just part of the adventure. You can prepare all you want, and then you just kind of have to let the rest unfold as it will. And then the improvising, the problem solving, the unexpected turns that happen along the way. That's just where the real stories form, the real adventure grows. And speaking of stories, I've been reflecting on the way I tell them here on YouTube. The way I film, the way I edit, the way I try to convey the feeling of the journey through the screen. Each trip tends to teach me something new, not just about riding, but about storytelling as well. And this time I just want to slow down a little, to let those details breathe, to capture the moments in between and not just the miles on the dirt. So this is where the journey begins. In the chaos of the last minute prep, in the quiet of the late nights with the bikes, and in rethinking how I want to share it all with you. Spain is close now. It's very close. Soon it won't just be the to-do lists and the practice packs and the insurance and everything else and the late nights with the bikes. It'll be dust and mountains and miles of trails. And I cannot wait. So if I don't see you before that, then we'll see you out there very, very soon.